Happy Passover. So how are we going to prepare the microwave if it is a microwave that both heats and cooks? Such a microwave is like an oven. We actually won't use it for 24 hours. We'll clean it thoroughly and then run it on maximum heat, and it's kosher for Passover. But if he only heats this microwave with laser rays to begin with, put in a small saucer with a substance that cleans after we clean it, the substance has spread in the microwave and is kosher. Don't want to put a saucer because you're afraid? After I cleaned the food during Passover, put it in 2 packages and it is allowed to use this microwave. Have a happy Passover.